It's here. But we're only after one thing. This bung. And it needs to go all the way down there. Alright, got the header out. Let's get the bung installed. And we have a hole. Quick tip for you. This made it a lot easier. Now, time to clean it up, weld it on. Got it all welded up. Give it the dunk. Well, there we go. You know, it looks real good. I really wish I knew why sometimes I could weld decent like that, or like that, and then other days I'm just throwing it together. Alright, let's get this back onto the CRV. Alright, time to bolt it down. Alright, manifold is bolted on. And you can see that in between the intermediate shaft and the frame on the right, we have enough room. Alright, well in the next video, I'll be installing this and the sensor into that bung. Oh, and if you could subscribe, that'd be great. Got lots of Honda stuff going on here.